Game. Sige na, game na. Last one. Game. Alright, anong team nyo, girls? Ito yung mga girls.
Team pagkain.
Team bahay at team bahaw.
Timba lang.
Yeah. So, mechanics natin, girl. Careful lang. Okay, let's go.
Ate King, kapatid ako, Ate King.
2, 1, go! Ito lang. Bawat. Nice!
Parang natin eh!
Nahulog! Okay, 4 on! Last one! Last one!
Si Ate Nene!
Last one! Yan yan! Nahulog! Hoy, nahulog yan! Ulit! Dali, nawala ko. Ano?
Up, day!
Last one! Baka ka na po.
May CCTV!
Relax lang. Okay.
Yan, huwag kang gulaw.
Yan, guys. Relax lang. Coach ka doon! Last! Okay, guys. Nice game. Congratulations, the girls!